I've been a little slow on videos. No big reason, just been really busy. Not the most exciting content. This sanded, got to pull that off. It's ready to get painted. Front bumper, way too much time into it. Ready to get painted, rear bumper ready to get painted. Hopefully Tori actually starts on my stuff soon, and then kit will be done. But made a couple changes. As you can see outside, there's no 318, but there's this fucking, there's that. Saw this deal up on Marketplace, and it was just one you couldn't pass down. I really needed my own truck, my own tow rig thing. I can go get random shit, random parts and everything. I did tell myself if I found a good truck, I would get rid of the 318. Didn't make sense having like 2 drift cars and like no truck. So sold the 318. Thankfully, it's to one of my teammates, Ben Nemoy. He wanted a drift car for this year again. He built a S13 Vert, just way too good of a car to take to the track and smash. So he has a 318. He's definitely gonna smash that. So it's kind of nice that it's still in the family, and it's gonna, this will get to touch its door at some point. Hey. Anyway, yeah, just go for it, Chev. Fucking sick. Sick body lines. Sick silicone. Fucking sick dent. Sick crack, you know? But it's good. It's got fairly low K. It's only got 292,000 K, which means this thing's barely in break-in period. But it was a good deal, runs good, needs work. I just did shocks in it. Just rewired up the brake thing, that fucking thing. Brake controller's in the mail. And then I'm gonna go up to Ken Law's house, Papa Ken from Riot Ready, who has parted out like 1 million of those. So he's got bumpers and other shit. And see what else we fucking get up to. Maybe yell at people, I don't know. Shut up, dude. Nice, man. Yeah. So I got back from Ken's. I was gonna start pulling off bumpers. Thank God I didn't, because it was maybe sunny for like 10 minutes after I got home, and then just started fucking pouring and hailing and shit. I went to this place for like bumpers and a spare tire, and I got a few more things. I went to go put the new spare tire up. Didn't work. The thing was all fucked. Thankfully, Ken had like 30 of them laying around, so I replaced the fucking spare tire, fucking spinner, McChooch, the wire thing, you know, the fucking chooch that brings the spare tire. So I did that, and then I was kind of like, yeah, I like want to find rims that aren't so fucked up and like tires that aren't so fucked up. And he was like, oh, I have like just a bunch of those laying around. So I was like, hey, sick. And run in the ring. All right. They're 2014 Chev wheels with new tires on them. So that's pretty custom. That's pretty sick, you know? The rig's doing rigging things. I don't know if you can see, I got my brake controller in there, red light, because no trailer attached, because it's over there. Sick. I need parts for my drift car still, which I don't have. It's rainy and I'm miserable and I don't want to work on my car, so I'm gonna go try and annoy people and see who all I can annoy. Yes. You have to fart?
You know when you have to like blow out?
So this is the proper engine. And this is
Stop.
this is this is not the proper engine.
Stop.
Oh,
Wait.
oh, that's
Look, no, wait. Look at that one. That one.
oh, that's a super sick NA header. It's custom, dude.
Yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, dude.
Sorry, no, I'm not.
Keep on.
The dizzy's out. It has to be.
The dizzy's a little dizzy.
Dizzy's. My hands are cold.
Weird. I wonder why they're cold. Isn't hail salty?
No?
No.
That's salt, I think.
No.
This car.
Like I can't make too much fun. Like yeah, it's like fuck small wheels, but like your car does look good when it's together.
When it's together, which isn't often,
No.
unfortunately. Oh yeah. It looked good for how long? Literally 8 hours. And then the fiberglass. Ow. Oh, almost shit myself.
You actually put your wing back on, or is it just sitting on? Well, it's on.
You tell
It's
me.
on as it normally is. I'm ripping it off of it.
There's nothing holding it on. Whoa! The ice is holding it on.
Can you please? Can we just mount this properly?
Go hold it up. No.
It has tape. What do
It
you?
looks so
Here, I'll
bad
mount it
on my
right
car.
now.
No, we're not gonna.
Go hold it up.
It looks so bad.
The only thing is, I think you have too much horsepower to run that.
Yeah. DB lunch day.
Okay, that's hot. That's actually a diaper changing table.
Hey. Wait. Oh, let's guys. We're close.
Next one. One after that.
Lost
Oh,
compression.
that's up.
No, it didn't
not yet.
pop
Keep going,
up.
Keep going.
Top
There
dead.
it is.
Put her in.
Where are we going after this?
I don't know.
McDonald's is crazy.
Okay. Anything but here.
Yeah, McDonald's is warm.
Just don't want to hang out with my head.
I also want a burger. Could be. That sounds good.
What was that voice?
He's widowy gonna do a big bun.
up and then go
190.
again.
Not bad.
Kind of like you now.
Third, you could tell when it was getting hot. It started to slow down in
Yeah.
third. It was just started good, and then the intake temps went up, and she started to lose
Fourth
it.
was a no-go.
Yeah. You went for fourth?
Yeah, that last one was fourth.
Oh, dog.